Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by waking the iPhone 12 with the side button or raise to wake. This gets you straight to the lock screen. Once visible, locate the small camera icon at the lower right corner. That icon launches the camera app without unlocking, so you move faster. Swipe left across the screen in one smooth motion. This direct gesture bypasses passcode entry to capture quick shots. Doing this saves precious seconds when you need a spontaneous photo or video, and it preserves lock screen privacy. Once the camera is open, you can compose and capture using simple, fast controls. Tap the subject to set focus, and then drag the exposure slider to brighten or darken the frame. This gives better results than auto alone. Press either volume button or the shutter on screen to snap photos, and hold the shutter to start quick take video for motion moments. Make quick lens or mode adjustments by tapping the mode label or using pinch to zoom. These let you adapt without unlock. To finish, press the side button or swipe up to dismiss the camera and return to the lock screen. This secures your phone again. You can glance at the last shot briefly from the thumbnail, but make sure to unlock to access the full photo library or make edits. If the swipe left gesture or shutter doesn't work, restart your iPhone, install any pending iOS updates, and confirm the screen protector isn't blocking touch. These steps resolve most lock screen camera issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.